Hi everyone, today I want to introduce to you the new Sunshine Planner. So before we get started, if you're using the Goodnotes app, just make sure that you are in viewing mode. You can do this by tapping this little icon in the top right hand corner. Okay, so the first page that you come to in this planner will be the welcome page. This has links to contact me and to this video as well. You've then got the year overview, and then we go on to the monthly page. On this monthly page you have the weeks linked just here, and you have the days linked just here. The great thing with this planner is it is undated, so you can use it year after year. At the side of every page in this planner you will have the monthly tabs, and when you tap those it will take you straight to that month. And then at the top of the monthly pages you will have these monthly templates. So these include goals, well-being, workout log, to-do lists, monthly budget, meal planning, and a monthly review page. Okay, so let's take a closer look at these templates. So this is the monthly goal and vision page for January. You have one of these for each month. You've got space to put the goals, action steps, and then you can put images or vision board on the opposite page. From these monthly templates, you are able to access any of the other templates for that month as well. So you would just tap and it will take you to that page. So we go to the well-being page, then we can skip to the workout log, or we can skip to the to-do list, monthly budget, meal planning, or the monthly review. Then to head back to the monthly view, you just want to tap on that monthly tab. So from your monthly page, if you want to view your weekly planning page, you want to tap the left hand corner of that box, so just here, and it will show you the weekly view. Then to view your daily planning pages, you want to tap the top right hand corner of that box. So from the weekly view, you can also skip to the daily view by just tapping on the day. I've left the daily pages quite minimal, so you've got a lot of space to customize it how you would like it to be. So you've got your daily schedule, you've got some prompts for your focus for the day, must remember, well-being, highlight of the day, and then a daily score. And then I've left some blank space to the side for you to add widgets and to customize as you please. Okay, so now if we take a look towards the bottom of the page, you'll see we've got 3 icons just here. So the first one is the year overview. So if you tap on that, it will take you to the year overview. Now all of the months at the top are hyperlinked, so if you tap on one of those, it will take you to that month. Next we have our template library. So if you tap on that, it will show you all of the different templates that I have included in this planner. So all of these are hyperlinked, which means that if you tap on these when in viewing mode, that you will be able to jump straight to that page. Okay, so let's do a quick flip through of all of the templates that are included in this planner. Okay, now let's take a look at the very last tab that we have here. So this one is our custom section. So all of these sections on the custom page are hyperlinked, so they will take you to a lined page just like this. You can use this page really to put whatever you want, to be honest. So for example, I'm someone that needs to do a lot of content planning for my business, so I could have a section titled content planning, and in that section I'll put all of my ideas and all of my plans for that. So you really can put anything into this section and really make it your own. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can insert other templates elsewhere within your planner. So you want to tap the 4 squares that are in the top left hand corner, and then you want to tap select and copy the page that you would like to copy. Tap done, and then you want to head to wherever it is that you want to paste this page. So let's head to the monthly budget section of January. You then want to tap on paste page, and it will paste that page straight after the one that you were just on before. So now let's say you've changed your mind and you actually want to delete that page. So what you're going to do is in the top right hand corner, tap the 3 dots and then tap move page to trash. Just make sure that you only delete pages that are copies. Do not delete any of the pages that are linked, as this will mess up the planner. Okay, so now let's look at digital stickers. This planner does come with some digital stickers. So using these, what you want to do is grab your lasso tool, circle the sticker, tap it, and then tap copy. You then want to head to wherever it is within your planner that you want to place that sticker, and you want to tap, hold down, tap paste, and then you can resize it to whichever size you want and move it around wherever you want to place it. I really hope that you enjoy using this planner. If at any point you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to send me a message. Thanks for watching.